Namaste. In this session, I'm going to show you how to solve equations of the form x squared equals bx. This is a quadratic equation. Let's start with an example. Let's say I have x squared equals 3x. Our first instinct is to solve the equation by dividing both sides by x. And the reason is x is a common factor on both sides. So if we do that, x squared over x will give me x, and 3x over x will give me 3. And we might think that this is our final answer. However, this method is wrong, and this is not the correct way of solving this type of equations. And the reason is we are dividing here by x, and x is a variable. Now, the problem with a variable, a division by a variable, is that variable can assume different values, including 0. And in mathematics, division by 0 is not defined. So when you divide by a variable, we are assuming that x will not be 0. However, that is not true because x can be 0. So how do we solve equations of this form? Let's say x squared equals 3x. So in order to solve this equation, we have to bring all the terms on one side. And to do that, I'm going to subtract 3x from both the sides. So these two will cancel out, and I'll be left with x squared minus 3x on the left hand side equals 0 on the right hand side. Now what I'm going to do is factorize this part. So x squared minus 3x, x is the common factor, x minus 3 will be left in the parentheses, equals 0. Now I'm going to use a null factor theorem. So that says x equals 0, or x minus 3 equals 0. And then we simplify this. So x equals 0, or adding 3 on both sides. These two will cancel out, and x equals 3. So the roots of the equation x squared equals 3x will be x equals 0 and 3. So that's how we solve equations of this form. And this method ensures that we are not losing out on any of the roots of the equation. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.